Very good morning, my dear student friends. Today I would like to discuss about a play Final Solutions by Mahesh Dattani. Mahesh Dattani was born in 7th August 1958 in Bangalore, Karnataka. Mahesh Dattani is a playwright, stage director, screenwriter, and filmmaker. In 1998, Mahesh Dattani won the prestigious Central Sahitya Academy Award for his book Final Solutions and Other Plays. Mahesh Dattani is the first playwright writing in English to receive this award. Now I would like to introduce about the important characters in the play Final Solutions. Basically, Final Solution is a story of a Gujarat family that consists of 4 members, people in that family. Here the important character, grandmother Daksha, another name given to Daksha as Hardika. Ramnaik, Smita's father and son of Hardika. Aruna, wife of Ramnaik and Smita's mother. Aruna, Hardika's daughter-in-law. Now the play Final Solutions is going to move with 2 characters, and here in the play Daksha's family and also the 2 important characters Javed and Bobby. They encounter with 2 Muslim boys, Javed and Bobby. Here, the play Final Solutions open with Daksha or Hardika, a newly married girl, writing her diary on March 31st, 1948. In the diary, she writes about the experience in her new house. She is not a good opinion regarding her in-laws. Though India got independence, yet she is imprisoned in the 4 walls of the house. She was totally banned in the 4 walls. There was no freedom for that Daksha. Then here, regarding in this play, I would like to speak about Daksha. She has a good taste for the songs of Shamsud Begum and Noor Jahan. She wants to become a singer like but due to family restrictions, her desire remains unfulfilled. So after a few days, she got an opportunity, chance to visit a Muslim girl, Zareen, who was also had a great taste for songs of Noor Jahan and Shamsud Begum. So they become best friends. Actually, this play is divided into 3 acts. Now the scene shifts to the present place, Gujarat, and in that she is in Gujarat, Daksha is an old woman Now, there a scene took place. An idol, the idol of Hindu god is broken down. There are rumors that it is broken down purposely, I mean wantedly, by Muslim, and they due to and thus due to the tensions between Hindu and Muslims. There was a quarrel between Hindu Muslims, and there is a big tension in outside the place where the Gujarat is. Besides, slogans by mobs of both communities like Hindus and Muslims are heard alternately shouting. They are giving slogans. Muslims are giving their slogans and Hindus are giving their slogans. Then afterwards you are going to enter into another character, Smita, granddaughter of Hardika, is talking on. I mean, she was talking over phone. She was talking over phone to the family of her friends Tasneem. Because there was a tension outside, and casually every day she used to speak over phone with her friend Tasneem. And while she was speaking over phone, as Tasneem has just called and told her Smita and probably her own family as well that some bomb has blasted in the hostel, and they came to know about I mean, Smita came to know over phone from Tasneem, where Tasneem was staying in the hostel. Some bomb blast took place. At that situation, when the conversation between Tasneem and Smita's father, Ramnik, I mean, son of Hardika, takes the phone from her daughter Smita and assures that safety of Tasneem to her family and ends the call. So this is not the right time to speak over phone to that Muslim girl Tasneem. So he scolded, Ramnik scolded his daughter. As there is a quiet tension outside, Hardika advises her daughter-in-laws, I mean Aruna, to properly check the doors and windows as dogs have left loose. So, because the tension is going on, the tension is nothing but Hindu-Muslims problem. Hindu-Muslim communal war, communal feeling problem is outside the place of Gujarat. So, Hardika advises Aruna to shut the doors so that it is good for us. Meanwhile, Javed and Bobby, two Muslim boys, are in some argument at the side of the road in nearby area where Hardika, I mean Ram Naik's house is. In front of the Ram Naik house, I mean outside the place, Javed and Bobby are discussing, argument is going on because they are in danger. They would like to escape somewhere else. They would like to take shelter because they are chased by Hindus. Suddenly some Hindu men come and asking the questions and also search for them. Suddenly Muslims appear, Hindu people appeared, and they would like to check whether they are Muslims or Hindus. So they are in tension now. Javed and Bobby are in tension. Finally, Hindus finding a skull cap in the pocket of Bobby, they at once recognize them as the Muslims. After that, Hindus, as they try to kill them, Javed and Bobby run away from that spot, and the mob Hindus chase them so that they would like to kill or murder the Muslims. The reason is they create. God was broken into pieces by the Muslim. That's the reason they want to kill the Muslims, I mean the Hindus. And when the situation was very critical and they escaped, Javed and Bobby escaped from Hindus, and they reached the door of Ram Naik house and started knocking it. And Javed and Bobby started knocking the door forcefully. Ram Naik at least opened the door. They at once rush in and lock the door. And they pleaded. I mean, Bobby and Javed pleaded. They pleaded Ram Naik to save their life because we are in danger. Because we are chased by Hindu people. Hindus would like to murder us. So, please save us, Ram Naik. Please. Pleading, requesting. Then, when the discussion is going on in the family of Ram Naik, in the house of Ram Naik, now in the Ram Naik house, Bobby and Javed are taking shelter. Suddenly, mob arrives at the door of Ram Naik. They want Ram Naik to either hand over Javed and Bobby to them, or they will break the doors and come in. Now they are Hindus, mob, chased, and finally they noticed that Javed and Bobby is in the house of Ram Naik, and this mob asking, hand over this Javed and Bobby to us. If not, we would like to break the door and come in. However, Ram Naik refuses to do so. He don't want to open the door, and he's just leave them, and he didn't open the door. So he wants to save the life of Javed and Bobby because they requested many a times. The mob starts throwing the stones and sticks, wooden poles and long rods and weapons, and they brought some belongings to kill these Javed and Bobby. The mob starts throwing stones and sticks on the house and also abuses Ram Naik. Now at this moment, Ram Naik was abused in a bad language by the Hindus, and though he didn't open the door, and then at this moment, Aruna is the wife of Ram Naik. Aruna does not like the Muslim in her house and forces her husband to throw them out of it. I don't want to see these Muslim people in our house. Please throw them out. Send them out. But Ram Naik already promised. Ram Naik bitterly refuses his wife. No, I have to save the life of Javed and Bobby. Then afterwards, slowly, now the relationship between Javed and Bobby and Ram Naik. Now Ram Naik would like to know the detailed story, what is the reason why they came to this house and what mistake they committed. Such kind of reasons. Now here Ram Naik would like to know from Javed and Bobby. Ram Naik starts talking to Bobby and Javed. Bobby is polite, and while Javed is quite harsh. While Ram Naik starts talking, when the interaction between these two Muslim boys like Javed and Bobby, Bobby is polite, and while Javed is quite harsh in the conversation. Ram Naik also asks them about their studies, and upon learning that Javed is... So here now, afterwards, when the conversation is going on, slowly, Ram Naik asks about the education of their Javed and Bobby. And Javed is a school dropout, start talking bad about himself. Suddenly, Smita, the daughter of Ram Naik, comes and recognizes both of them. Bobby and Javid are Muslims. Now she came to know that Smita came to recognize both Bobby and Javid as a Muslims. So up to here, Act 1 scene is over. Now come to the Act 2. Then Aruna asks Smita how she knows both of them. Smita tells that Javid is the brother of Tasneem and Bobby is the fiancé. Now she narrates, yes, I know already about Javid and Bobby. Here, Javid is the brother of Tasneem and Tasneem is the fiancé of Bobby. When Ram Naik and Aruna start insulting Smita for knowing them, and Smita defends. After, when Smita told to their parents that I knew about them already, so what is wrong with me? What is wrong with me doing friendship with Muslims? There is no harm to do friendship with Muslim. Then Smita defends. Though Smita was insulted by Ram Naik and Aruna, because doing friendship with Muslim is not good for our family. But she defends. Nothing harm. And boldly by saying there is no harm in that, doing friendship with that. And also at this moment, it is also revealed that Javid does not live with their parents. Now Ram Naik came to know that. Javid started speaking about, I am a school dropout and he is very harsh man and he doesn't like Hindus. Such kind of story was narrated by Javid to the Ram Naik. And afterwards, meanwhile, it is also revealed that Javid does not live with his parents. Ram Naik then asks how he can meet his sister. Javid says that unlike them, the Hindus, he loves the people of his community. Now Aruna gets outraged and Javid apologizes. Aruna dislikes the behavior of Javid, and Aruna came to know that maybe Bobby is a Hindu guy, but whereas Javid is a Muslim. Now Bobby, here by looking at Bobby, Aruna got a good opinion. Bobby is a kind-hearted, Bobby is a good man. But by noticing about the character of Javid, Aruna and Ram Naik and other are in a bad opinion about that Bobby. Bobby throws stones at the house of Ram Naik. Now here, not Bobby, sorry. When the scene is going on, when the serious discussion is going on, outside there is a big tension. The group of Hindu mob is knocking the door continuously. Mob throws stones at the house of Ram Naik. Javid scolds in a manner. Javid scolds Ram Naik, stating that those are your people. Those are your relatives. Those are the Hindus. Ram Naik tries to defend himself. So wantedly, Javid is pointing the Hindus when they are knocking the door, and he spoke in a manner to a Ram Naik, those are your relatives. So there Ram Naik tries to defend himself. He also tells how his grandfather was killed by Muslim mob soon after the partition. When the behavior of Javid shown on to Hindus, that was really very awkward and untidy and ugly on the part of Javid. And after that, Ram Naik also tells how his grandfather was killed by Muslim mob soon after the partition. Then there was a conversation between Ram Naik, Javed and Bobby about Muslims and about Hindus, how Hindus behave towards Muslim and how Muslims behave towards Hindus. There, a conversation took place in between Bobby and Javed by Ram Naik. Then, when the conversation is going on, Ram Naik offers the milk. Javed, being in thought, exclaims, "It must feel good being majority." Now here Ram Naik told, "You have full liberty. Have this milk. There is no problem. We are friends. We are human beings." Now he started speaking in a friendly manner. So he, Ram Naik, offered milk to those two, Javed and Bobby. They have full liberty to do whatever they like with them, Javed and Bobby. Now here the very important conflict, very important theme is going to put in front of you. When the conversation is going on, the discussion is going to happen in the house of Ram Naik. Now the doors are closed, tension is outside and inside. At this moment, Ram Naik became very cool, and Ram Naik, still sympathetic, explained how the conflict started. Now he started. Ram Naik would like to know how the conflict was started, how the communal harmony, how the Hindu-Muslim feeling was started. Ram Naik, still sympathetic, explained how the conflict started. There was a rumor that during the Rath Yatra of Hindus, some Muslims throw stones on the chariots that made the idol of God to fall and broken. Now, the scene starts with the conversation is going to, the discussion starts with the Rath Yatra. The discussion starts with the Rath Yatra of Hindus. Some Muslims throw stones on the chariot that made the idols of God to fall and break into pieces. And even Pujari was stabbed to death. The event led to imposition of curfew in the town because of that incident, because of Hindu-Muslim incident, because of damaging the Hindu ideal God. So the God was broken into pieces, and even at that moment, Pujari was stabbed to death, and the tension created in that place. The event led to the imposition of curfew in the town. Smita comes with pillows for Bobby and Javed. Slowly, Smita came with pillows and she offers. Now it is the evening time, so they are going to take bed rest. Smita comes with pillows for Bobby and Javed. When she asks them to sleep on the floor, Javed answers, "I have a habit of sleeping on the floor. There is no problem for me to sleep on the floor because there is no extra space for them to sleep on the beds or so." So here, Smita came with pillows and gives pillows to Javed and Bobby to sleep on the floor. Now the conversation took place between Smita and Bobby, Javed. They came in search of job. Now here afterwards, when the conversation is going on, one by one, they started explaining, Javed and Bobby. Actually, we came to this place to fetch for jobs. But suddenly we are stuck by the Hindu people. Ram Naik offered him a job, so he told that I am going to offer you a job. Can you work in our cloth company? Ram Naik offered them a job at his cloth shop, but Smita wants his father for doing so. So here Smita is not willing. She's not feeling well. I mean, she's not happy to provide a job for Javed and Bobby because they have a bad name outside. Because already she knew them both, Javed and Bobby already. When Ram Naik inquires about the matter, she reveals that Javed was hired by a terrorist organization and was expelled from his house. When Ram Naik inquires about Javed and Bobby, and now Ram Naik came to know that Javed was working somewhere in the terrorist organization, and also she was expelled from his house. So that information was known by Ram Naik. So Ram Naik is very calm. He don't want to disturb them. Then afterwards, what happened? Aruna, I mean Smita, she also tells that she came to know about this from Tasneem. Javed condemns her for betraying her friendship as she promised Tasneem that she will not expose the reality of Javed. Now the Smita acknowledged her mistake and being speechless, she ran away from that. In Act 3, Ram Naik starts asking Javed about his involvement in terrorism in teasing manner. But Ram Naik, he would like to know more and more information about these two boys. Again, Ram Naik starts asking Javed about his involvement in terrorism in a teasing manner. Javed becomes furious and yells hard words. Now here the situation was very hard. Ram Naik continuously asking the questions and interrogating, and why, what happened, what is the mistake, what is the problem for you, why you had joined in the terrorism, jihad or something else. When Ram Naik started asking the questions, Javed become furious and yells hard words and he scold in a bad language. Javed scold Ram Naik in a bad language. Ram Naik angrily slaps Javed and Bobby, rushes to calm them down. Bobby then tells when they were young. Now at this moment, again the story was narrated by, because the interrogation was very heat, Ram Naik is angry. I mean, he was very much enthusiastic to know about the detailed story of Javed and Bobby. Javed becomes furious and yells hard words. Ram Naik angrily slaps Javed and Bobby rushes to calm them down. Now, Bobby make them to calm, because at this moment, Ram Naik and Javed are very harsh. So then Bobby then tells when they were young, Javed happened to touch a letter of his Hindu neighbor who abuses the farmer badly, he was scolded. So Bobby depict the story when we were young. My brother, Javid, scold. I mean, he touched a letter of the Hindus, the priest, but they abused badly on the Javid. So Javid got angry and waits for the opportunity. And Javid got angry, and after some days he throws pieces of beef meat in the house of priest. That person comes to Javid's house and abused him harshly. So this incident was happened when they are telling the story. Bobby adds that Ramnik community is partially responsible for make him so, because prior to that incident, now Javed was the hero of his locality. Bobby and Javed decide to leave because they don't want to work, they don't want to accept the job which was given by Ramnik. Now Ramnik is trying his level best to offer a job to Javed. If Javed reject the job, so that Ramnik, by saying that he will call the police. At that incident, at this point, when Ramnik mentioned a word of police, so that Javed first burst into laugh and then tells that he was ordered to kill the Pujari in the name of jihad. Now Javed became more angry and he told to Ramnik, I was involved in terrorist organization. Javed was totally polluted by political leaders. They utilize this Javed in communal feelings, and because of the political leaders, his behavior was very bad. And here Javed was ordered to kill the Pujari in the name of jihad. He reached the chariot and tried to stab Pujari, but later begged for mercy, and thus he became still. In this, when the conversation is going on, when the conversation between Ramnik and Javed and Bobby, Javed got a chance to kill the Hindu priest, but he shown his humanity towards the Hindu people. He shown the humanitarian grounds, because Hindu priest pleaded, don't kill me, don't kill me. Then Pujari, he reached the chariot, tried to stab Pujari, but the latter begged for mercy, and thus he became still. And he leaves this Pujari and he throws his knife and came back from that place. Meanwhile, someone else took it and stabbed the pujari to death. Ram Naik is moved and called Javed brave. So, because of listening, because of the conversation, by knowing about the real truth behind the Hindu Muslim communal uh, war. But here Ram Naik felt that maybe the murder behind the death of Hindu priest is nothing but Javed. But now he came to know Javed is not so such a man. He was a brave man. He was a great man, and the title was given to Javed by Ram Naik. Now, this conversation is going on in the house of Ram Naik. At that moment, Aruna, being strict in her religious matters, condemns Smita for such a suggestions, and thus both mother and daughter fell into an argument. Now the argument between Ram Naik and Bobby and Javed was going on. Then afterwards, the scene shifts to the character of Aruna and Smita. Both mother and daughter are arguing because Smita's mother was an orthodox, very religious woman, and Aruna, being astonished for the queer behavior of her daughter, is quite shocked. Here, Smita is showing more love and concern towards the Muslim, and Aruna is totally a enemy to Javed and Bobby. But she was shocked to notice the attitude, the friendly environment towards Javed and Bobby from the side of his daughter Smita. Meanwhile, Aruna goes to take bath. Smita, Bobby and Javed go out to bring some water. Though their discussion, it is revealed that Smita and Bobby loved each other. But due to the communal problem, they had to be separated. Then later Bobby become the fiancé of Javed's sister Tasneem. All the three friends became frank and start cracking jokes and even throw water on each other. Meanwhile, Hardika, now she became an old woman. Now her name was changed into Daksha, who was memorizing how she was beaten by her husband for visiting Zarin house. Conflict between the two families, scold Javed and wishes that like his father. And here Daksha's father was killed by Muslim. Now Daksha, by looking at Muslim, Javed and Bobby, they are in front, and she scolded and she used some bad words. Ram Naik requests her mother not to blame them. When Aruna comes out after taking bath, Bobby unexpectedly goes into the small temple, and in spite of denial by Aruna, he respectfully takes the idol, the god, in his hands and talks about communal harmony and keeps back in its place. Then the play Final Solutions ends without any solutions to these communal issues that have remained in the society for ages and ages. So, final solutions is ended by without any solution. Thank you.